So we have Joe Ott. Joe, where are you in from?
I'm from Tampa, Florida.
Tampa, Florida. So you came quite a distance.
I did, yeah. Flew up here on Monday, finishing up on Thursday.
Why did you choose the Details Art program?
I was looking for something. I had no idea about anything about detailing. Details R had great reviews, and I'm glad I chose.
Thank you. Yeah, you did a great job. So you've been here since today's your third day.
Yep.
And today's Thursday. Tuesday we had the business and marketing class. What did you think of that day?
Yeah, it was great. Going everything from top to bottom, from creating an LLC to accounting to paid ads. A lot of stuff I had no idea about. Some stuff I was somewhat familiar with. So I'm glad the detail that we went into it. I'm walking away with a lot more knowledge than I had before.
Excellent. And yesterday was the paint correction, polishing, and ceramic coating training. What did you think of that day?
Yeah, I had no idea what to expect. I had no knowledge of ceramic coating at all. But I'm walking away with just knowing how much detail and how meticulous it is. So a lot of respect for the detailers out there.
Absolutely.
For how long it actually takes. They deserve every penny.
Absolutely.
But walking away with a lot of useful stuff, how to do things.
Sure. And today was the interior training. And what did you think of that?
It was great. We did some headlight restoration as well. That's something I been dying to learn myself.
Sure.
Outside of this, and the interior cleaning was great. Different ways and tricks on how to do things, how to save time, different products, what to use when and where. So it was great.
So you haven't started your business, but now this is going to accelerate your business startup. And do you think this will definitely help put you in the right point you in the right direction?
Yeah, I'm going back home with a lot of knowledge I didn't have before. So now I have a good base, of learning.
Sure.
And now I can go ahead and kick off starting my own business now.
Excellent. You did a great job, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Fantastic job. You are now Details Are certified and also Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Thank you.